So this is the Keychron M4, which is a 30-gram wireless fingertip gaming mouse. It may look like an office mouse, but the specs say otherwise. For the specs, there's an option of 1000 Hz or 4000 Hz polling rate with a Pixar 3395 sensor. The options for connection is 2.4 GHz with a USB dongle that comes included with the mouse, wired and Bluetooth. With the battery, I have virtually no complaints because I daily drove this mouse for over a month now since I got it, and I only had to charge it once, which, which is very good in my opinion. For the cord it comes with has a USB-C connection on both sides, but it comes with a USB-A to USB-C adapter for your PC or laptop or anything, so you don't have to get an entirely new cord for it. The side buttons can be used assigned to any keyboard key or macros and anything that you need, and the clicks sound and feel high quality too. The mouse gates, on the other hand, are okay, but I replaced them with these X-ray pad Obsidian dot skates you can get for like $20 CAD on Amazon. All in all, this mouse is a good option for people who are into fingertip grip or just want something light for productivity or gaming. You you can buy this mouse for $100 for the 4000 Hz option and $73 for the 1000 Hz option on the Keychron website.